Sister Love, Chapter 3. The next Sunday, Howard phoned Marcia early in the morning. I don't feel very well, he said. I'm not going to church today. My love, I'm sorry, Marcia said. Can I phone you when I get home? Yes, of course, he said. I can't phone before 1 o'clock, Marcia said. I'm going to be late back because there's a meeting after church. Something about Africa, I think. Oh, yes, I remember, Howard said. But Marcia was wrong. There was no meeting after church that morning. It was the next Sunday. So she left church at the usual time and arrived home at 11:45. First, she went in to see her father, but he was asleep. Then she phoned Howard, but there was no answer. Perhaps he's sleeping, she thought, and his mother doesn't want to answer the phone. She went to her room and put on a long summer skirt. Then she went up to the roof garden. She put her hand on the door to the roof and stopped. The door was half open and she could hear voices. There was someone with Corinne. A man. Howard. Howard? Marcia listened. I feel bad about this, Howard said. We must tell Marcia soon, Corinne. No, Corinne said quickly. She gave a little laugh. It's our secret, Howard. Only for a little longer, all right? I don't like, he began. But you do love me, Howard, Corinne said. Not Marcia? Say you love me, please. Marcia suddenly felt cold. You know I do, Howard answered. But Corinne kissed him. It's our little secret. Oh, is your car outside, my love? We don't want Marcia to see it. I didn't bring my car, Howard said. I walked here. Good, Corinne said. But it's getting late. You must go before she comes home. They kissed again. See you tomorrow. Usual time, usual place, said Corinne. Now go. Marcia moved quickly and quietly away from the roof door and ran to her bedroom. She did not want Howard or Corinne to see her. She heard their voices. Then the front door of the apartment opened and closed. Howard was gone. Marcia sat on her bed for an hour. Why, she thought. Why does she do it? I stay at home with an old man all the time. I can't go out to work. I can't make new friends. I can't meet new people. I go shopping once a week and I go to church once a week. That's all. And then I met Howard. When he said, I love you, I was so happy. And now? Corinne had everything. Good looks, a job, friends. She was young. She was beautiful. She could have any man. So why Howard? Why? It's not because she wants him, Marcia thought. It's because I love him. It's because she doesn't want me to be happy. But you love me, Howard, not Marcia? You know I do. Was it true? Did Howard love Corinne and not her? No. He saw only the beautiful, suntanned body. He didn't know her. She's not going to have him, Marcia thought. That's the end of chapter 3. If you want to know what happens in chapter 4, listen to the next episode. Bye.